Hey first grade friends, welcome back. And we are going to be diving again into our informative paragraph about Brazil. Now yesterday we went back into our text to our table of contents. You selected a section that was interesting to you. I chose animals. You turned to that section. Let's see, I'm going to go to page 12, page 7, page 8. I've got 9 and 10 up here, pages 11 and 12. And you found a couple facts that you thought your reader might want to know about that topic. So I'm teaching about animals in Brazil, and I want to teach my reader that parrots live in the rainforest in Brazil as well as frogs. But there's something special about them. These parrots and these frogs are super colorful. Notice that suffix full, F-U-L, full. They're full of color. So then I went to my writing page and I started drawing that teaching picture. Super colorful parrot, colorful red tree frog. Well, now I need to start writing a topic sentence, or a sentence that shows my reader, tells my reader what I'm going to teach them about. So we have a couple of topic sentence starters that we could use. You might say something like, I will teach you all about, well, I'm teaching about animals in Brazil. So I would say animals in Brazil. You could say, I know about animals in Brazil. If you're teaching about a different topic like celebrations, you might say, I know about celebrations in Brazil. I always like going with, I will teach you all about. That way my reader knows, hey, you're about to learn something here. So I'm just going to go ahead and snag that sentence starter and get going on my topic sentence. Here I go. I will teach you all about. I'm not just going to say Brazil here. I want to be more specific. I want to say animals in Brazil, because I'm not teaching them about everything about the country. I'm just teaching them about the animals in Brazil because that's the section that I chose. So now I'm just going to use my sentence starter to help me. Notice my uppercase I, it's the first letter in my sentence, and it's the sight word I, which is always uppercase. Will. W-I-L-L spells will. Teach. You guys know how to spell teach now. T-E-A-C-H spells teach. Notice your digraph E-A and your digraph C-H. I will teach you, Y-O-U spells you, all, A-L-L spells all, about. Friends, we need to start spelling words like about correctly, so I'm going to make sure that it is exactly how it is on my sentence starter. A-B-O-U-T, about. A-B-O-U-T, about. Good. I will teach you all about animals. Now, a lot of these words, you're just going to find them in the text. So if you're not sure how to spell animals, well, I remember that the section heading that I wanted to teach about had the word animals. So I'm just going to find it and copy it. Now they used an uppercase A because you use an uppercase letter at the beginning of a heading or a title, but I'm going to use lowercase a. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Help me. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. M-A-L-S. Perfect. Notice my suffix S at the end. I will teach you all about animals in, I-N-N, Brazil. Now, Brazil is the name of a country, and just like you write your name with an uppercase letter at the beginning, we also use an uppercase letter at the beginning of names of countries. Guess what? It's in my prompt. Just grab it. B-R-A-Z-I-L, Brazil. Perfect. Now I can go back and reread to make sure this sounds right and makes sense. I will teach you all about animals in Brazil. Perfect. Now I'm ready to start adding some teaching sentences tomorrow. So go ahead and use whichever sentence starter fits for you and write that topic sentence.